We left South Rona earlier than we wanted to because the weather was due to change. We set off on an 8-hour trip towards Arisaig. The conditions were really good, and it's nice that it stays light late until the evening because we didn't arrive till about 9:30. Mike got the anchor ready before we started the entrance into the harbour because we were both going to need to concentrate. The entrance was tricky, but well marked, with perches on a lot of the rocks. We anchored easily and had a very calm night, but it was an early start the next morning. Mike took the chimney off for the heater, and we lifted the anchor and were away by 6:30 in the morning. He washed the mud off the anchor while I navigated our way out. It was so quiet and still, it's difficult to imagine that the wind was going to blow up.
Some died on the glenside, some died near a stranger, and wise men have told us that their cause was a failure. They fought for old England, and they never feared danger. Glory, oh, glory, oh.
It takes quite a while to get out into open water, and looking back, you can see all the rocks that you have to navigate around.
God be praised that I met her, be life long or short. Sure I'll never forget her. We may have brave men, but we'll never have better. Glory, oh, glory, oh.
That's Harlequin, just going past Egg, one of the small isles, with sky in the background. The largest and highest island is Rona, which has volcanic peaks. It's the one in the background on the left. Just coming into the picture is Muck, the smallest and most southerly of the small isles, and behind that is Canna, which you can't see at the moment. We got round Ardnamurchan Point and into Tobermory before the wind came.
'Twas down by the glenside I met an old woman. She was picking young nettles, and she scarce saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was humming.
A short while later, and it arrived. We were pleased that there were 2 naval training boats on the hammerhead, because they stopped some of the swell coming in. The pontoon soon filled up. There were a lot of boats coming in for shelter. We had quite a bumpy night, and I was very happy that we were safely tied up.